Looking to live in a town in Florida that offers a harmonious blend of natural beauty, quality education, and a strong sense of community? Wedgefield is a unique community that's located in Orange County, Florida, and is approximately 20 minutes from downtown. It is known for its expansive lots and equestrian community and has scenic nature surroundings in the area. Wedgefield offers residents a tranquility of living experience that has tons of space and amenity. I'm inviting you to virtually preview this home, our newest listing that hit the market at 20717 Reynolds Parkway Lane in Orlando, Florida. This property is situated on an impeccable, maintained 2.09 acre lot that has no homeowners association. From the moment you enter the property with the dueling gates and fully fenced yard, you will be in love. Boasting 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths and an oversized 3-car garage, there's ample space to accommodate all your needs. Step inside to the main house and discover a fantastic floor plan with 3,117 square feet under air, high 11-foot ceilings to create an airy, open floor plan. The open kitchen has black stainless steel Kenmore Elite appliances and a walk-in pantry, and is a very practical design. The property has a generator hookup, which is available, low power bills with spray foam insulation, and prepared to be amazed by the generous dimensions of every bedroom, including the primary bedroom, which has his and her closets. This home is great for entertaining with 4 sliders to access the back enclosed porch, where it has a summer kitchen that awaits you with a full range and a sink and makes it perfect for barbecuing. The property is adorned with mature landscaping, plenty of parking for your toys and RVs. The backyard is a heavenly outdoor entertainment area that features a 40 by 40 basketball court. There is also 2 storage sheds and 1 large shipping container on the property. Again, I'm Brittany Zapitz with Orlando Listing Power Team and LPT Realty. We would love to show you this wonderful property and look forward to helping you purchase your next Central Florida real estate. Take care.